Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Home Science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of Chapter 11 Creative Question Answer 1. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 11 Creative Question Answer 1. Students, this is our 12th lecture and 12th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 12th lecture and 12th homework. Students, for today's class, take your home science book, notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about creative question answer and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Chapter 10, Creative Question Answer 1. I'm reading the stem. Manik is a farmer. He cultivates different kinds of fruits and vegetables. He also breeds and raises fish in his pond. His friend Abul advises him to be conscious about the preservation of food. Now students, you have to give some answers of these questions. Our first question is, what is preservation of foods? I'm repeating, our first question is, what is preservation of foods? The answer is, preservation is a proper way to stop foods from decaying nature and store foods with their original quality. I'm repeating the answer, preservation is a proper way to stop foods from decaying nature and store foods with their original quality. Students, now question number B. Describe the function of enzyme. I'm repeating the question. Describe the function of enzyme. The answer is, enzyme is a substance of both animal and plant cell. It works as a catalyst in the cells. Enzyme helps to ripe fruits and vegetables. So, what does enzyme help? Enzyme helps to ripe fruits and vegetables. Due to the effect of enzyme on them, fruits become too ripen and soft and easily gets detached from their stalk. The fruits which are too soft become black with the attack of germs. With the attack of germs, they release bad smell and gradually perish. Okay, I hope you have understood the answer and I hope you can able to write about enzyme. Now come to question number C. Describe the importance of food preservation. I'm repeating, our question is, describe the importance of food preservation. Here is our answer. Importance of food preservation is described below. First, by preserving seasonal fruits for other seasons, we can meet the need and demand of foods. Second, by preserving seasonal fruits and vegetables, we can meet the need of these foods and use excess food in future. In this way, we can prevent these foods from getting spoiled and thus wasted. Next, we can easily get all types of foods throughout the year by preserving seasonal fruits. All kinds of vegetables, fruits and crops do not grow in all places of the country. By preserving the foods in a proper way, they can be supplied everywhere in the country. Preservation of food can save distressed people from the food crisis and malnutrition during drought, epidemic, flood or any other natural disaster. Next, food preservation has immense roles in mitigating famine in a country caused by any war or any kind of restlessness. Last one, fish, meat, fruits, etc. can be canned in order to preserve these foods. All be benefited financially by selling and marketing these canned foods. So by preserving, we can use excess food. In future, we can we can be able to face drought, epidemic, flood, or any kind of famine. So food preservation is very important for our future, for our everyday life. Now come to question number D. How can Manik preserve food products? I'm repeating the question. How can Manik preserve food products? Here is our answer. Mr. Akbar cultivates. Okay, I'm sorry, here we have to write Mr. Manik, not Akbar. M-A-N-I-K. Mr. Manik cultivates fruits and vegetables. Besides, he breeds and raises fish. There are various ways to preserve these food products. Decay of fish and fresh vegetables can be prevented if they are dried naturally in sunlight. Potatoes, carrot, peas, cabbage, jujaba, mango, fish, etc. can be preserved for a long time in this process. Jujaba, tamarind, mangoes, etc. can be preserved in the juice of molasses. Mr. Akbar, here also will be Mr. Manik. M-A-N-I-K. Mr. Manik can make morobba of pumpkin, mango, wood apple with sugar. He can also preserve vegetables and fruits with vinegar and oil. Vinegar and oil prevent foods from the attack of germs. Solution of salt prevents growth of germs. Salt takes away the water from germ cells when we mix salt with foods. For example, salted hilcha is prepared by mixing salt with the pieces of fish. We can keep green mango, acid fruit like chalta and amloki for a long time by mixing turmeric and salt with them and drying them under the sun. Students, now it's time to your homework. I have given your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer AB from 1. I'm repeating, your homework will be creative question answer AB from 1. So the question is, what is preservation of foods and describe the function of enzyme. Students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number and homework number are same, that means 12, and the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.